Hello, myself Mohit, Section 13, IIT Kharagpur, roll number 20 AG30019. This is my third DIY assignment. The project is assembling disassembling. The object I have chosen is electric iron.
So as you can see, this is in working condition. This is the neon lamp indicator, and these are the two pumps, and this is steam button. This is the water fill cover. This is the nozzle part. Then this part is the fabric guide. Then the orange part is the water window in which water is stored. So now let's disassemble it.
So, for disassembling, firstly I removed the back part of the electric iron. Then one by one I removed the screws in order to disassemble it. After that, I removed the front part of the electric iron. Then I removed the handle of the iron and the pumps. Then I removed the cord and spread the wires. Then after removing that, I removed the sole plate from the upper part. So now let's see the parts one by one.
So these are the disassembled parts. So now let's see the parts one by one. This is the water pipe. These are the pumps. When user press this, the steam is released from these holes. This is the sole plate. The chromium plating is done in order to avoid the rusting. Then these are the three connectors. The red wire is the live wire, then green wire is the earthing, and blue is the neutral. And this is the neon lamp, which is the indicator. This is how the AC supply is given from this end. This is the heating element. When current is passed through the heating element gets heated up and transfers heat to the sole plate through conduction, and in turn sole plate also gets heated up. Thus heat and pressure mechanism is used to remove wrinkles from the clothes. We use mica along with nichrome wire as heating element in iron. Then these two are the rest points of the pumps, and this is the thermostat. It is used to control sole plate temperature. The bimetallic strip, these bimetallic strips are made up of two metals generally, iron and brass. So these are few important parts of the iron. Now let's assemble the parts.
So, for reassembling, firstly I assembled the upper part, that is the orange part, to the sole plate. Then after assembling it, I assembled the back part. For this, I assembled the connectors, the neon lamp and the wires with the help of screws. After that, I assembled the upper part, that is the handle of the iron. After assembling it, then I assembled the fabric guide, then the pumps. So these are the pumps. Then after assembling the pumps, I assembled the steam button, then the back part of the iron. So the electric iron works on the principle of heating effect of electric current.
So finally the iron is assembled, and this is in working condition. Thank you.